In this video, I will give you information regarding sample paper for the preparation of entrance exam for MPH, that is Master of Public Health, and MHA, that is Master of Hospital Administration. Entrance exams for various university and institutes like JIPMER, Puducherry, NIMHANS Bangalore, Common University in Trent, CUT PG, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, ICMR Bhubaneswar, Indian Institute of Public Health, IIPH, Punjab University, Lucknow University, Savitribai Phule Pune University, etc. And students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA entrance exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So here first question is, the branch of biology which involves the study of immune system in all organisms is called. The branch of biology which involves the study of immune systems in all organisms is called. Options are A. Zoology, B. Microbiology, C. Immunology, D. Biotechnology. Correct answer is option C. Immunology. So the branch of biology which involves the study of immune systems in all organisms is called immunology. Immunology is the branch of biology which involves the study of immune systems in all microorganisms, in all organisms. So immunology is the branch of biology which involves the study of immune systems in all organisms. Its explanation is, immunology is a branch of biology that covers the study of immune systems in all organisms. Immunology charts, measures and contextualizes the physiological functioning of the immune system in states of both health and diseases. Malfunctions of the immune system in immunological disorders. Question number second is, in which year NRHM was launched in India? In which year NRHM was launched in India? Options are A. 2005, B. 2008, C. 2004, D. 2007. Correct answer is option A. 2005. So in 2005, NRHM was launched in India. NRHM was launched in India in 2005. Its explanation is, the National Rural Health Mission NRHM, now under National Health Mission, is an initiative undertaken by the Government of India to address the health needs of the underserved rural areas. Launched on 12th April 2005 by then Indian Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, the NRHM was initially tasked with addressing the health needs of 18 states that had been identified as having weak public health indicators. So NRHM, that is National Rural Health Mission, was launched in India in 2005. Question number 3 is, which of the following immunity is obtained during a lifetime? Which of the following immunity is obtained during a lifetime? Options are A. Acquired immunity, B. Active immunity, C. Passive immunity, D. None of the above. Correct answer is option A. Acquired immunity. So acquired immunity is the immunity which is obtained during a lifetime. Acquired immunity is the immunity which is obtained during a lifetime. Its explanation is, adaptive or acquired immunity is the active component of the host immune response mediated by antigen-specific lymphocytes. Unlike the innate immunity, the acquired immunity is highly specific to a particular pathogen, including the development of immunological memory. So adaptive or acquired immunity is obtained during a lifetime. Question number 4 is, NFHS stands for. NFHS stands for, options are A. National Full Health Status, B. National Family Health Survey, C. National Family Health Status, D. None of these. Correct answer is option B. National Family Health Survey. NFHS stands for National Family Health Survey. Its explanation is, the National Family Health Survey NFHS is a large-scale multi-round survey conducted in a representative sample of households throughout India. 3 rounds of the survey have been conducted since the first survey in 1992 to 1993. So NFHS stands for National Family Health Survey. Question number 5 is National Population Policy in India was enacted in which year? National Population Policy in India was enacted in which year? Options are A 2001, B 2005, C 2012, D 2000. Correct answer is option D 2000. National Population Health Policy of India was enacted in 2000. So in year 2000, National Population Policy of India was enacted. Its explanation is National Population Policy of India was formulated in the year 2000 with the long-term objective of achieving a stable population by 2045 at a level consistent with the requirements of sustainable economic growth, social development and environmental protection. So National Population Policy of India was enacted in 2000. National Population Policy of India was enacted in 2000, year 2000. Question number 6 is how many types of antibodies are there? How many types of antibodies are there? Options are A5, B3, C2, D4. Correct answer is option A5. So 5 types of antibodies are there. 5 types of antibodies are there. Its explanation is an antibody AB, also known as an immunoglobulin. Ig is a large Y-shaped protein used by the immune system to identify and neutralize foreign objects such as pathogenic bacteria and viruses. So an antibody AB, also known as an immunoglobulin. Ig is a large Y-shaped protein used by the immune system to identify and neutralize foreign objects such as pathogenic bacteria and viruses. Antibodies can come in different varieties known as isotypes or classes. In placental mammals, there are 5 antibody classes known as immunoglobulin A, immunoglobulin D, immunoglobulin E, immunoglobulin G and immunoglobulin M. Question number 7 is which of the following cells is involved in cell-mediated immunity? Which of the following cells is involved in cell-mediated immunity? Options are A leukemia, B T cells, C mast cells, D thrombocytes. Correct answer is option B T cells. So T cells is involved in cell-mediated immunity. T cells are involved in cell-mediated immunity. Its explanation is T cell, also called T lymphocyte, type of leukocyte with white blood cell that is an essential part of the immune system. T cells are one of the 2 primary types of lymphocytes, B cell being the second type that determine the specificity of immune response to antigens, foreign substances in the body. Question number 8 is in which year National Health Policy in India was implemented? In which year National Health Policy in India was implemented? Options are A 2002, B 2001, C 2007, D 2013. Correct answer is option A 2002. So in year 2002 National Health Policy in India was implemented. In 2002 National Health Policy in India was implemented. Its explanation is policy thrust the National Health Policy of 1983 and the National Health Policy of 2002 have served well in guiding the approach for the health sector in the 5-year plans. The current context has, however, changed in 4 major ways. First, the health priorities are changing. Question number 9 is NRHM covers. Options are A, improve accessibility to quality health care for the rural population. B, bridge gaps in health care. C, facilitate decentralized planning in the health sector. D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. So NRHM covers all the options are correct. That is improve accessibility to quality health care for the rural population, bridge gaps in health care, facilitate decentralized planning in the health sector. All the given options are correct. Its explanation is NRHM, that is National Rural Health Mission, seeks to provide equitable, affordable and quality health care to the rural population, especially the vulnerable groups under the NRHM. The Empowered Action Group EAG states as well as northeastern states, Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh have been given special focus. Question number 10 is, which of the following protects our body against disease causing pathogens? Which of the following protects our body against disease causing pathogens? Options are A, respiratory system, B, immune system, C, digestive system, D, respiratory system. Correct answer is option B, immune system. So immune system protects our body against disease causing pathogens. Immune system protects our body against disease causing pathogens. Its explanation is, the immune system is a network of biological processes that protects an organism from diseases. It detects and responds to a wide variety of pathogens, from viruses to parasitic worms, as well as cancer cells and objects such as wood splinters, distinguishing them from the organism's own health tissues. So immune system protects our body against disease causing pathogens. So in this video, information regarding very important 10 multiple choice questions have been given for the preparation of entrance exam for Master of Public Health MPH and Master of Hospital Administration MHA for various university and institutes like JIPMER, NIMHANS, CUT PG, AIMS, ICMR, IIPH, Punjab University, Lucknow University, Savitribai Phule Pune University, etc. And students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA entrance. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.